Hey friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are discussing about Node.js interview questions. Let us start with the first question. What is Node.js and how does it differ from the other server-side technologies like Apache or PHP? Node.js is a open source and provides a runtime environment to the JavaScript to run the Java applications on the server side. And it has the functionalities like asynchronous I/O, and it is runs on the single thread, and the events are non-blocking. It runs on the single thread and performs on an event loop. But as you can see, Apache server and PHP server. PHP is a server-side scripting programming language, and Apache is a server that accesses multiple thread, but it does not provide a non-blocking state, non-blocking of the events, and it uses PHP and Python files. Let us move to the second question. What is a callback function in the Node.js and why are they commonly used in asynchronous programming? Callback functions are the functions that has the parameters to complete the other functions in the Node.js, and after completing the other functions of the Node.js, it provides asynchronous programming to the Node.js and performs the reading the files and provide network architectures like provides the asynchronous programming, and it callbacks the functions and performs the operations. Let us go to the third question. What is the purpose of package.json file in the Node.js project? Can you explain the key properties found in this file? Yes, package.json file in a Node.js project is used as the description of the project. It is also known as description of the project. It has the main key properties are like version, name, and dependencies, development dependencies, and authors, license, and main task, etc. These are the important key properties. It stores the metadata of your project. Let us go to the fourth question. Explain the difference between the require and import statements in the Node.js. When and why would you use one over the other? These require and import statements in the Node.js are used to import the node packages from the node modules, and these require uses common.js and import uses ES6 versions ES.js. It provides the ES6 modules, and require is used to retrieve the static implementations, and import is used to retrieve the dynamic implementations, and require is used to retrieve the data from the static and synchronous way, but in import it retrieves the data in asynchronous way, perform the operations in asynchronous way. Let's go to the fifth question. What is middleware in the context of Express.js? Can you give an example of how you would use middleware in the Express application? In the Express application, we use the middleware by taking the argument, by passing the functions and taking the arguments of request and the response. The request and the responses provide the connection to the server and access the files in the server, and if the file not present in the local database, then it sends the information file not found. If the file was present, it accesses the file. The middleware does not be seen in the code, but adds in the code, Let us move to the sixth question. What is the RESTful API and how can you create one using Node.js and Express.js? Explain the main HTTP methods used in the RESTful APIs. RESTful APIs means representational state transfer APIs. These used for network structure, and these creates these are architectural structure that are present in the Node.js and Express.js. It performs the CRUD operations and and has the methods of the HTTP methods like get, post, put, and delete. Get is to get the details from the database, and post is to create, access the data from the database authenticationally, and put is to update the data in the database, and delete is to delete the data. And CRUD operations are like create, read, update, and delete. Let us move to the seventh question. What is the purpose of Node Package Manager and how do you use it to manage the dependencies in the Node.js project? NPM means Node Package Manager, and it is used to retrieve the modules from the package, and it manages the dependencies or like third-party dependencies, and it provides to install the necessary modules from the third parties by following a syntax: npm space install space module name. If you take an example, npm space to install the express, we run the command npm space install space express. Let us move to the last question of the interview questions of the Node.js. Why is it important to hash the password in a web application? As it is important to hash the password in the web application because if other users are accessing the database, they see our passwords, original passwords, and access our data, privacy data, and they are able to modify our data. So to avoid this, we use hashing. Because of the hashing, we add a extra layer to the password, and the layer is in the string format, and it is does not decodable by the others, and hashing provides a security to the password, and it hides the original password. The original password can't be seen in the database. Hashing is also important for all applications to hide their passwords from the others. And hackers can be access the passwords. So hashing uses decrypt module to hash the password in the application. This is the questions and answers of Node.js interview questions. We will meet in the next video. Thank you.